Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to remove an Audi R8 front bumper. First, let's get organized. You'll need a set of Torx bits, a flathead screwdriver, and a magnet to help with fasteners. Begin by opening the front hood. Then, carefully remove the 3 plastic trim pieces located near the bonnet using a 1/4-inch driver. This initial step provides access to crucial top fasteners. Next, we'll tackle the fasteners beneath the car and in the wheel wells. Get underneath and remove the 7 Torx screws holding the front section of the belly pan. Then, turn your front wheels to gain access to the wheel wells. On each side, you'll find 3 Torx screws and a body push pin that needs to be released to free the bumper's edges. Now, let's move to the top and sides. Remove all the Torx screws running along the upper edge of the bumper, typically around 10 of them. Inside each wheel well, gently pull back the small tab to expose and remove 1 more hidden Torx screw. Double-check for any remaining clips or bolts around the grille or headlight sections. With all fasteners removed, the bumper should now be ready to come off. Carefully pull the bumper straight forward, ensuring it clears all mounting points. Before fully detaching, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors, like those for the parking sensors, usually found on the back. Once free, gently place the bumper on a soft surface to prevent any damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.